Chalo, as today I have to walk lots here. That's morning sunrise, then pieces stupa.
अचम्म चाहिँ लाग्यो मलाई है अब त्यहीँबाट चाहिँ देख्नुहरू फल्छ अब यहीँबाट ट्राई गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ देख्दैन रहेछ तर अब एक्सपिरियन्स राम्रो भयो
Hello guys, after 1 year I just meet my friend. 1 year say I mean I think 7-8 months भयो होला हैन. Just now I reached the Davis Fall. अभी आपको शिव मंदिर जो था उधर मैंने कवर किया और ये मेरा लास्ट थर्ड पार्ट होगा ये. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट इट विल बी लाइक वो लेक है जो लेक साइड हम लोग चलेंगे. वो आगे देख सकते हैं वो रेड कलर ऑरेंज कलर में डेविस फॉल लिखा है, शायद दिखाई दे रहा होगा इसमें. तो अभी हम लोग अंदर चलते हैं और इसके बारे में बताते हैं आपको. लॉट्स ऑफ डस्ट, रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन, दैट्स व्हाई we go to the Davis Fall now. Inside shops are started, so I have to take the ticket. As usual, nearby tourist place you can find this kind of stuff. Earlier I visited this place, it's long time ago, but right now I don't know. I have to get the ticket first then. भाई एउटा टिकट दिनु त.
160 for one.
भाइ एउटा टिकट कति? एउटा टिकट कति? So I got the ticket. You have to get the first ticket from here, so after that you can get entry. So Nepali people have 40 and भाइ इन्डियन को कति छ? एकजनाको 80? आइसी कि एनसी?
IC 50.
For the Indian people you need to pay the how much? 40 rupees Indian currency. It's 80 rupees. I think it's 40 rupees. We'll go inside now. They'll check the ticket. Bhai, na? Now we'll go to the Davis Fall. First go and show you. It's there. They made little bit the garden like this, and Davis Fall is the little bit down. You have to go there. I just go to the Davis Fall only because my legs are paining, so it's not allowed to walk more. Have to go a little bit down, then after that. For this one we came here. Now it's going down. Few more steps are there. Chalo, as today I have to walk lots here. That's morning sunrise, then pieces stupa, and after that mandir. Now again. So legs are not allowing to walk more. I don't know where. I heard earlier it was used to very big. Now I cannot see yaar. You can see the Davis Fall because of the natural water flowing. Fish to cut off this rock here. Long time before I visited this place, so I hope, I'm not sure, it was little bit up, and the main stream is going down in there. I will show you. Look like so small, but the force of the water is so high. I cannot see. I don't know. You guys can see or not because I'm putting my head. I will tell you the history of the little bit about the Davis Fall. It's on July 31st, 1961. There was the Swiss couple. They were swimming on this. You can say this water, and the ladies, the woman has drawn into the pit hole. Her body, recover from after 3 days. So her father wishes to keep the name of this one is Davis And after that, so this one name become the Davis Fall. So this is the, I mean, and now it's very popular place in Pokhara. And day by day, due to the water flow, I can show you the rock. All this the rock is cutting. But I had earlier, long time before, I visited this place and water level was bit up, but now it's going down. So this one is the history of the Davis Fall. One beautiful lady is behind me, and she came from the Sikkim, so she will say something about the Pokhara experience. केही पोखराको बारेमा भन्ने हुन्छ या यहाँ डेभिस फलको बारेमा केही
अचम्म चाहिँ लाग्यो मलाई है। अब त्यहीँबाट चाहिँ देख्नु यो फल्स अब यहीँबाट ट्राई गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ देख्दैन रहेछ, तर अब यो एक्सपिरियन्स राम्रो भयो।
कहिले आउनुभयो पोखरा?
हामी हिजो आएको, अन्त अस्ति हामी लुम्बिनी गयो।
यता कहाँ जानुभयो पोखरा?
अब अहिले फिलहालको लागि चाहिँ फर्स्ट हाम्रो डेस्टिनेसन यहाँ हो। फर्स्टमा चाहिँ हामी त्यो फेवाताल गयो, अन्त त्यहाँको मन्दिरमा पनि गयो, त्यहाँबाट दर्शन लिएर अहिले चाहिँ हामी डेभिस फलमा आउँदै
माथि त्यो पिस स्तूपा शान्ति विश्व शान्ति स्तूपा जानु भएन?
हजुर अब जाने होला सर, अब फ्यामिलीहरू छ।
म भर्खर त्यहाँ गएँ, बाबा मन्दिर माथि छ, त्यहाँबाट पनि बिहान जानुभयो उता सनराइजमा?
खाएको छैन, अब हामी सबै उयो गरिसक्यो।
बिहान जानु त्यहाँ सनराइजमा राम्रो छ, आज बिहान भयो।
हुन्छ,
thank you very much. Thank you. I will try to show you the Davis Fall. I don't know exactly. Yeah, from here you can see the water is flowing. As I said, the history about this one. एक पुराना स्ट्रक्चर है, मैं आपको घर कह सकते हैं, मैं वो दिखाने का मैं कोशिश करता हूँ। This the one. Nothing is more than here. Only this and Davis Fall. So Davis Fall is only the waterfall is there. Yeah, but it's very interesting to show you the structure. This one. और थोड़ा सा अंदर है, so I will show you that one. I don't know what the people are doing here. I'm completely sweating, man. Oh, Nepalese culture custom. Let's see. We'll check it out. They are the individual tribe. I think they are ethnic. They make like this. Wow, no one I'm taking this one. Wow, so strong man, yeah. Some Nepali cultures, I mean their dresses, they are showing. So you can take the picture, you put your head out there and then you can take the picture from there. इंडिया से आया है? किस जगह? कोलकाता से आया है. It's quite hot. Come. Small kids, he came from the Kolkata, West Bengal. So you came with your parents?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Don't go out, your parents is that side, yeah. Shit. So it's very hot here. I mean, due to this jacket, so I'm just sweating. The tears is going inside, is burning here. I have to wash my face. So I try to show you. I mean, the last one is the lake side, so I will go out there. So I will go out there and then I will show you. I mean, and then I will try to cover at night also. So this is maybe the fourth part of Pokhara. Hello guys, after 1 year I just meet my friend. 1 year से I mean, yeah, I think 7-8 months भयो होला हैन. 7-8 महिनादेखि हामीले भेट्ने भनेर थियो. दशैंमा आउन पर्ने पोखरा आउन सकेन. अब उहाँकै पसलमा आएको म, पसल हैन बुटिकको उहाँको बुटिकको
Finally we met.
म उहाँको बुटिकको म हेराइदिन्छु के होइन उहाँको यो बुटिक हो आई मिन आई विल पुट द डिस्क्रिप्सन एन्ड मोबाइल नम्बर अल्सो इफ एनीबडी इन्ट्रेस्टेड दोज आर नियर बाई द पोखरा जो पनि हुनुहुन्छ पोखरामा प्लिज वन्स एन्ड भिजिट टु माई फ्रेन्ड प्लेस कमिङ टु द लेक साइड very rush here. I don't know if you get the parking or no. We came to the lake side, but it's quite rush, so I will return back from here. ये बहनी लोग हैं इधर हाय हेलो I don't want to go in rush man From here I can show you it is the lake but the main entrance there is really so rush some festival is going on so I cannot go there so from here I can show you and so those are watching first time यदि आप पहली बार देख रहे हैं प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें सब्सक्राइब करें एंड शेयर करें और दोस्तों को भी एक तो लाइक बनता है यार इतना घूम घूम के मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ तो चलिए लाइक करने में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है बस टेक केयर बाय